So yeah, here we are at the actual, I guess, testing of the chicken.
Finished product.
Quite possibly. Noodles.
Sorry if the video shakes.
For dramatic effect.
Yeah, like Star Trek.
Dun, 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 dun. Actually, if you slide
Red alert! Red alert!
If you slide your finger up and down, it'll zoom in and out. I could say that could probably go for a little bit more.
Do you think so?
Maybe zoom in.
It looks pretty white to me.
Yeah.
I think it's done.
You think?
We don't want to overcook it.
No, but I kind of want it to be crispy because it's a fryer.
It's just cooking chicken. If you want fried chicken,
Look,
you
it's
need
kind
breaded
of.
chicken.
Hey, keep looking over here, man. Look,
Okay,
it's
I'm
like
looking
this.
over here.
You can even touch that one. Yeah, it doesn't even burn. What?
You don't think it's cooked all the way through? You want
I'd
to go
like
for
to-
5 more minutes or
Yeah,
something?
let's avoid salmonella.
There you go.
Just for a wee bit longer. Seeing as we're already hella overboiling noodles. Can't you tell? We are master chefs.